Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to talk about how to draw a Lewis structure. So I'm going to start with the first step. So using the periodic table, determine how many valence electrons each atom in the molecule comes with. Add up all of the valence electrons for the atoms in the molecule. This will be the total valence electrons for the molecule. So the molecule we're working with here is going to be methane, Ch4. So first thing we have to do is look for carbon on our periodic table. Carbon has 6 total electrons, but 2 of them are core, which means that there are 4 valence electrons. So carbon has 4 electrons. And hydrogen, way over here, has 1 valence electron. So hydrogen has 1 valence electron, but there are 4 of them. So we need to multiply its 1 electron by 4. We add those together, and we get 8 total valence electrons. Next thing we want to do, for step 2, we want to find out who the central atom is. So the central atom in the molecule is usually the first atom in the chemical formula. A few exceptions: if you have H out front, then you're talking about an acid. H can never be the central atom because it can only have 2 electrons total, so it can only be bonded to 1 atom. The other exceptions would be more complex organic molecules, but those are going to be beyond the scope of what we do right now. You may see those down the line if you take organic chemistry. So we have our molecule methane, and methane has carbon first. So we're going to put carbon in the center, and we're going to place all of the other atoms around it. So I have 1 hydrogen, 2 hydrogens, 3 hydrogens, and 4 hydrogens. And I'm going to connect the atoms with lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. Okay? Each line represents a bonding pair, right? Each bonding pair represents 2 total electrons. So the next thing we need to do is deduct the number of electrons used in bonding from the total valence electrons. So remember, we had 8 total valence electrons, and here our structure for methane. Each one of these lines represents 2 bonding electrons, so we have 2, 4, 6, 8 electrons being used in bonding. So that means we used all of our electrons, and we're all done.